At Rapport Dentistry, we are working hard to ensure your visit to the practice is safe, effective and as pleasant as possible. As like with all healthcare services and retailers, we have taken steps to protect both our patients as well as our staff members from the Covid-19 pandemic. We are now going to explain the new details of your visit to the practice, which we will be operating as in line with national guidelines. If you are feeling unwell for any reason, please do not come into the practice. A member of our reception team will be happy to arrange a new appointment for you. Please remember to complete your online medical history and symptom checker questionnaire prior to your visit. Please remember to bring in a debit or credit card, not Amex, for payment as we will not be accepting cash. Please do not bring anyone with you to your appointment, unless you are bringing a child or a carer. Please arrive on time for your appointment. You may be asked to wait outside or in your car if there is a delay. During your visit to the practice, we will maintain social distancing whenever possible. Practice toilets should be considered out of bounds. Please ask permission to use toilet facilities if necessary. On entry to the practice, your temperature will be taken. If you are feverish, your appointment will be scheduled for 2 weeks' time. You will then be asked to put your personal belongings, for example coats and bags, into a plastic container in the waiting area. You will be guided to a hand washing station. Taps should be turned on and off with the elbow if possible. Please dispose of any hand towels in a clinical waste bin as signposted. A member of our team will then instruct you on how to put a surgical face mask on, creating a seal around the bridge of the nose. You will also be given a plastic bag to use once you are in the surgery to put your mask in whilst the dentist or hygienist examines your mouth. This is to protect both yourself and the staff from airborne particles. A dental nurse will then invite you into the surgery to start your appointment. Please allow the member of staff to open all of the doors for you if needed. When in the surgery, the dentist or hygienist will ask you to remove your mask at the beginning of the appointment and use a rinse to cleanse your mouth. Once your appointment is completed, you will be advised to put your mask back on and make your way back to reception to collect your personal belongings. Payment can then be taken and any future appointments can be made. You will be instructed to dispose of your surgical face mask in a clinical waste bin. Before leaving, you will be asked to use the alcohol hand gel before exiting the practice under the guidance of a colleague. We would like to thank all patients for following our COVID-19 safe process in order to protect yourselves as well as our team. If you have any questions, please feel free to either call on 01908 242 211 or email at info@rapportdentistry.co.uk.